Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing our May unboxing for Ipsy's GLAM Bag X. This is an upgrade. You get it quarterly through the year, and it's $55, but not on top of like your regular subscription. So I get the plus, and so I pay an extra 20 bucks or whatever. Free shipping, same as always. So let's get into it. Apparently like an influencer or celeb curates it for you. I feel like it's Khloe Kardashian this month. I don't know how I feel about that. So thankfully, out of all the boxes or bags, this is the only one they bother throwing in like a pamphlet of what you got and how much it is and all that stuff. So we'll save that for later. And let's see, the first thing I see is, this is from the Riot, the Party Peel, Golden Illuminizing Peel. You get a fluid ounce, cruelty-free, but is this a peel, like a chemical kind of peel, or is it like a mask that you peel off? Because I hate those. I love a good chemical peel though. Use 1 to 2 times per week. Helps with quality, texture, and tone of your skin, revealing your most radiant complexion without an appointment. Our peel is a master of blend of powerful yet gentle acids, enhanced by our own unique oxygen delivery system that bubbles on contact and delivers exfoliation without visibly peeling most users. That's gaudy but pretty. I still can't find directions on how to do this, so I guess we'll pull the pamphlet out. Tell me about it, Chloe. Okay, well that retails for $65, but literally there's nothing on here to tell you how to use it. It says see insert, but there is no insert. I don't know. But I'm assuming it's not a peel off because the whole oxygen thing, so cool, I'll use that. I think this is a bag. I actually have to say, I do like the bags I've been getting in the X boxes and not, like I don't really keep the bags that they give you with the other ones, but these I like because they actually end up being like good size bags, so cool. All right, God, another one of these goddamn things. 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I'm sure this is like 100 and something bucks. I don't see any bad alcohol or any alcohol right off the bat, so that's good. This booster is formulated with Rosa Damascena and pure gold to enhance the natural radiance of your skin for a coveted, dewy, lit from within complexion. Sallow skin will become utterly incandescent, I'm sorry. Shake well before use, mix 1 to 2 drops in your hand with your favorite moisturizer or directly to your skin after cleansing. I feel like this was, I've seen this before. This was in some box over the last like year or two. I haven't gotten it before, but I do recognize it. I really like this brand. It's very expensive though. This is the Rhodial Cleansing Balm. Lift and Illuminate Pink Diamond, whatever that means. And I love a cleansing balm. You put this on, it like takes everything off. I've never used this before, but that's what cleansing balms generally do. So you start with a balm and then you finish with like a water-based cleanser to like wash any residue off your face. So I will definitely use this. Sometimes you can find Rhodial, whatever, on like Nordstrom Rack and Haute Look and all that stuff. So just something to remember. The next is from Pure Lease. Ooh, I think I picked this. I think you can pick 3, but can't you just do that anyway? I feel like you should be able to pick like 4 in this box because you're paying more, because I'm pretty sure you can pick 3 out of our plus, right? This is the Blush Glow BB Cheek Color with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, and it's the shade, it's an orange shade, Vivid Coral. And we're gonna give it a swatch. Ooh, that's nice. It's just like a nice subtle glow. It dried really nice though. And you know what? Let me just say, I like that kind of subtleness, but that it kind of dried down a little more than I like the M Cosmetics. What the hell are these called? I don't know. They're adorable though. These beautiful little things. They're a little too like serum-y. That's neither here nor there, but anyway. The next is Stuck on You Eye Primer. I might have picked this out too. I've really been into like pot eye primers lately. All right, so let's open this and see. It looks like it's more of like a white kind of base. Okay, no, it's like a nude. It has a little bit, okay. So you can see it on my finger, but when I actually rub it on my hand, like it kind of goes away, which I don't really like because I like color correcting kind of eye primers. I'll try this though and see how it is. Soft and creamy eye primer makes your eyeshadow go so much further. It locks in color, prevents pigment from creasing, smudging, or fading. Buildable, slightly tinted, so eyeshadow pigment really pops and stays in place all day. See, there's grapeseed oil in it, which kind of makes me wonder if it's gonna be too hydrating for my eyelids. I don't know. I'll try it though. So I've never tried this. This is the, I've never tried anything from this brand, but I've heard a few people talk about it. I know this is the Shine On Milk Lip Jelly. I don't really love glosses, but this color, Cashew, actually looks really nice. Okay, so it's a beautiful shade and one I would probably wear, but I mean, in the end, it's a gloss, so I'm gonna save this actually for a giveaway. I'm sure somebody would love it. The next thing is by Anastasia. This is the, ooh, a brow pen. I love these. This is in soft brown. Oh, no, it's just, it looks like an eyeliner, but it's a brush, a brow pen. I've actually never used one of these for my brows, I don't think. So I'll definitely try this. Hopefully the color's okay. Yeah. It just looks like kind of a neutral brown. Oh, it stays though, like I just put it on and it's sheer, I like that, so it's not gonna kind of overwhelm me. All right, I'll give that a try too. And the last thing in here is Patrick Starr, and I've never used anything from his line before. This retails for $42. I think it was either this or the Modern Renaissance palette, which I've had and given away. Like, that's a kind of weird choice to throw in here considering how old it is. But anyway, I've never tried anything from Patrick Starr. I'm not particularly a watcher or fan of his, so that's weird. You see, like, it comes out over here. It doesn't like line up. I'm assuming that's on purpose, but oh, this is nice. Hopefully, I mean, good quality, but hey, it's a nice kind of neutral looking palette. I'll definitely give this a try. And that was it. I think these boxes are cool. I like that they come quarterly because, I mean, obviously they're more expensive. They're kind of like BoxyCharms Premium. I think this was a pretty good box. Everything I'll pretty much use except the Tower Lip Jelly, which I almost want to use it because it says lip jelly and not gloss. And I'm like, oh, maybe it's not that. But I don't know. I don't know. I'll decide later. But that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got your Glam Bag X this month, let me know what you got in your box and if you liked it all. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.